You gonna be a puppy?
So how much do you lose per month?
Gonna bark? Bark, puppy.
And does it make good drinks? Do you make money on the drinks? Also, should be.
Owen, puppy, bring me the remote. Puppy, bring me the remote. Hey, puppy, can you bring me the remote? Thank you, puppy. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it fell down.
It's not coming from food, is it?
Uh-oh.
This is the money.
You need to work on this puppy.
And that's what's happening. You don't know.
Thank you. Good job. Good job, puppy.
This correctly. I'm gonna have to sharpen the skills.
Are you a puppy too?
Two new signature drinks.
He's a puppy too.
Used to these drinks and pouring, you're going to be an asset to the business other than people coming in to talk to you. Joe, teach him well. Thank you. This be solved. That's it.
Oh.
It's time to get to the bottom of another one. Last night I asked Paul to send me a text, an email,
What are you doing, puppy?
a post. Somehow I got all three.
I did pass the test last night. I did get my homework.
Boy,
Boy, I don't make him proud of me. That's it. I really do. He seems like a real good guy. He's a real old, that's for sure.
how was the homework?
What are you doing, Owen?
Text me. How do you fare with that?
I was trying to turn it on first. But this button, that button, but then I had to find where the text was. I hit that.
Uh-oh.